Okay, so we're doing injectors on an LB7, and I didn't have the tool. So for the next poor bastard that's in a buddy's shop, letting you use it, and it's midnight on a Sunday night and you need to get it the hell out of here. Let's say you don't have the tool. What I found is you can put a pry bar, and I've got every single one of them out this way. Take your pry bar, put it on the head stud behind it, and you can get underneath the back side of the injector. You see my pry bar right there? And then pop it up, and they come out real easy. I'll show you how. The tool would make it so it goes in there, and you pop it up, and if you don't have ladies' feet don't really pull that hard, but if you got a head stud here, put a pry bar on that, hit it from the back side, bam, and they fly right out.